Hey, flower friends, how beautiful are these? Does anybody else love Billy Balls as much as I do? Craspedia, better known as. This is my weekly invitation, friends. We are going live inside the Live Shop and Show app at 12 noon today. And friends, we are rolling out some of our cool flower, dried flowers, the stuff that you still can start the seed as soon as we get past December. For me anyway, but mostly everybody can get busy seed starting soon after the holidays. And this is just one of many that I'll be showing today. I'm going to be doing my weekly giveaway as always. And remember to participate in the giveaway, which is a $25 store credit. You have to be inside the app. You can watch us from here on social, and we love it when you just join us. But to really get involved and be part of the show, commenting with other viewers back and forth, and to participate in that giveaway, you got to be inside the app. It's free. You just comment app here, APP, and I'll DM you the link, or you can simply go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop and get the shop app. And meet me at 12 noon. Get your beverage, get your lunch, and settle in for an hour, because guess what else, y'all? We have new products rolling out. They're not really new. We're bringing them back. These are things that we have sold in years past, and we are bringing them back, and I cannot wait to show and share those with you today. And they are all right up the alley of great for you and great holiday gifts if you need them. So join me at 12 noon Eastern time for the shop and show. We'll be going through some of the cool flowers in the dried that are dried, like a whole different view of them, right? And it's stuff that you still have time to get in the ground with your very early spring planting. And y'all, I'm going to be soil blocking today. I'm going to be doing a demo and showing some killer babies. We're going to be showing the small 3/4 inch blocker, the 2 inch, and when and why I bump up on occasion. So meet me and we'll go through all of that, because now's the time to get yourself back on the thought process of seed starting, because friends, flower farmers are going to be hitting the ground running. I think it's January 2nd is my first day to start seeds. And we'll talk about all that inside the show. So friends, see you 12 noon Eastern time inside the Live Shop and Show app. And comment app if you want a link in your DMs of where you can get it. It's a free app. So, all right, friends, I'm taking Billy and leaving. Ciao.